Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like the person staring back wasn't quite?
You?
Not in a dramatic way, just a quiet, unsettling sense that the you you're presenting to the world isn't the whole picture, maybe not even real? You're not alone in that feeling, and there's a reason it happens. Your sense of self isn't a fixed thing stored somewhere in your mind. It's built moment to moment. The brain is constantly assembling fragments, memories, expectations, social context into something that feels like a continuous me. But it's more like a live edit than a recording. When the editing slows down or glitches, the self starts to feel thin, distant, like a projection rather than a reality. That feeling of observing yourself from the outside, watching your own thoughts like a stranger, has a name: depersonalization, and research suggests that around 75% of people experience it at least once. It tends to spike during stress, sleep deprivation, or periods of emotional overload. It's not a sign something is broken. It's the brain creating distance as a form of self-protection. The version of you that shows up at work, at home, with strangers, they don't always feel like the same person. And when you notice that gap, it can trigger a deeper question. Which one is actually me? The answer is uncomfortable but clarifying. All of them are. The self was never meant to be a fixed point. It's relational, contextual, always slightly in flux. And the more you search for the real you, the stable, consistent, definable version, the more elusive it feels. That's because the search itself disrupts the process. The brain can't observe itself without changing what it observes. It's a loop, and the loop creates the very feeling of unreality you were trying to escape. The feeling that yourself is an illusion isn't evidence that you're lost. It's evidence that you are aware enough to notice the gap between who you are and who you think you should be. That awareness is rare. Most people never question the construction at all. The self doesn't need to be solid to be real. It just needs to be yours. If any part of this felt familiar, that quiet sense of watching yourself from a distance, sit with that for a moment. That recognition is worth something.